Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best frost-proof hydrant is probably one of the most important plumbing fixtures you'll ever install, especially if you live in a region that experiences freezing temperatures, ensuring a readily available water supply year-round, even during harsh winters, protecting your pipes from costly damage caused by freezing and thawing cycles, and providing peace of mind knowing that you'll always have access to water when you need it most, whether it's for fighting fires, watering your garden, or simply filling up a bucket. Number 5. Merrill CNL 7503 Yard Hydrant. This frost-proof hydrant is built to withstand even the harshest winters. Its unique design ensures reliable water flow, year after year. It features a dual bypass valve body for superior water flow, even in freezing temperatures. You'll always have the water pressure you need. The lockable head adds an extra layer of security, protecting it from vandalism and accidental activation. It's a smart design for peace of mind. This hydrant is designed for long-lasting performance. The self-lubricating plunger ensures smooth operation and reduces wear and tear. It automatically drains when turned off, preventing freezing and damage during cold weather. No more worries about frozen pipes. It's made with durable, lead-free materials for a long service life. This hydrant is a reliable investment for your property. With a 3-4 pipe connection and a 3-foot bury depth, installation is straightforward. It's designed for easy setup and long-term use. What we like. It boasts a deep bury depth, ensuring it stays safely below the frost line. The high flow rate makes watering a breeze, even for large gardens. If you need a secure and efficient outdoor hydrant, this is the one for you. What people say. Works smoothly once installed. It seems to be made of heavy-duty construction and easy to use. Installed roughly 6 months ago, worked great through the winter. Number 4. Ashland YHC-Blue Hydrant Repair Kit. This kit is designed for easy repair of your blue frost-proof yard hydrant. It comes with all the necessary parts for a quick and simple fix. No need to source parts separately. It includes everything you need for a complete repair, saving you time and effort. It's designed for straightforward installation. Even if you're not a plumber, you can easily get it done. It can be padlocked to prevent unauthorized use, ensuring the safety and security of your water supply. Remember, it's only compatible with blue frost-proof yard hydrants. Double-check before purchasing. Get back to enjoying your outdoor space with a fully functional hydrant. This kit provides a reliable and convenient solution. What we like. Repairing it is a simple process thanks to readily available replacement parts. It features a padlock, keeping it secure. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and security, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was easy to install, and works fine. The item worked great and is made of heavy gauge cast. This was a great fix and easier than digging up the whole hydrant. Number 3. Merrill CNL 7502 Yard Hydrant. This frost-proof hydrant is built to withstand even the harshest winters. Its unique design ensures reliable water flow, even in sub-zero temperatures. It features a dual bypass valve body for high water flow, even when it's freezing outside. This ensures you always have access to water when you need it. The lockable head provides security, while the high flow rate means you'll never have to wait for water. It also features a long-lasting self-lubricating plunger for smooth operation. It's designed to automatically drain when turned off, preventing freezing and damage. This means it's ready to use whenever you need it, no matter the weather. Made with durable, no-lead materials, it's built to last for years to come. Enjoy reliable performance and peace of mind with this long-lasting hydrant. With a 2-foot bury depth and 3-4 pipe connection, it's easy to install. The total length is 56.5 inches, ensuring proper placement for your needs. What we like. Its shallower bury depth makes installation easier in areas with shallow soil. It offers a high flow rate for efficient watering. If you need a reliable and easily installed outdoor hydrant, this is a great option. What people say. Comes well packed. Superb quality. Easy to use. I believe I used a 3/4-inch threaded female adapter to PEX at the bottom. Put it about 1 foot or so deep. Filled the hole with gravel for the water to drain out and the rest above it with some concrete to keep it sturdy. Awesome product. This replaces a 2-year-old leaking hydrant from a big box store, so it was a quick replacement. I needed a freeze-proof faucet at the barn that would last years. Past experience with this brand makes me hopeful it lasts. Number 2. Aquor Ground Hydrant. It's incredibly easy to winterize, simply unplug it. The self-cleaning design means no more worries about burst pipes or clogged drains. Installation is similar to a traditional hydrant. You can customize the height to your needs, whether it's waist-high or flush with the ground. It's locked without a hose, providing secure water access. Just push and twist to get started, even under full pressure. Made from 100% lead-free, corrosion-resistant stainless steel and durable polymer, it's built to last. This is a superior, long-lasting upgrade for your yard. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring decades of reliable, maintenance-free use. Your kit includes the hydrant, a debris cover, and a hose connector. What we like. It's designed for worry-free use, requiring no maintenance. Its self-cleaning design prevents clogs and ensures smooth operation. If you value convenience and long-term reliability, this is perfect for you. What people say. The product is made from stainless steel and most other products are made with galvanized pipe. Other thing I like is it more hidden and looks cleaner. I like the weep hole has a protector on it to keep the rock from clogging it up. Extremely easy to install and works perfectly. Now I have a faucet next to my chicken pen and I don't have to worry about it freezing. It works really well, even better than expected. The connector has a check valve to keep water from squirting out backwards from the hose with minimal water loss during disconnection. Freezing weather coming? Just unplug and you're done. Number 1. Frost-free yard hydrant. This innovative hydrant provides reliable water access year-round, eliminating the worry of freezing pipes. It's perfect for watering your garden, pasture, or even providing drinking water for animals. Made from high-quality, lead-free materials, it ensures safe and clean water. The durable construction withstands harsh weather conditions, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. With its 4.25-foot length and 24-inch burial depth, it's easily installed and provides ample reach for your watering needs. It's designed for easy access and efficient water delivery. It features a smooth, easy-to-control valve for effortless operation. The fast drainage system prevents water from freezing and ensures efficient water usage. It provides a reliable water supply, even in freezing temperatures. Enjoy worry-free watering throughout the year, no matter the weather. This hydrant is incredibly easy to install, no assembly is needed. Simply install it and start enjoying the benefits of reliable water access. Each hydrant undergoes rigorous inspection before shipment, ensuring high quality. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This hydrant provides a deep bury depth for frost protection. It's made from lead-free materials for safety and durability. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation and a durable hydrant, this is your best bet. What people say. Excellent quality. This unit is heavy-duty built. Was easy to install and needed no valve adjustment out of the box. It drains properly and quickly when turned off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.